Capital ABC is a triangle. Capital ABC is a triangle, and forces represented by LBC, MCA, and NAB. Capital ABC is a triangle, and the force represented by LBC, MCA, NAB act along the sides. BC, CA, AB respectively. So that if L is equal to M is equal to N, the system reduces to couple. And if L plus M plus N is 0, the resultant passes through the centroid. Of the triangle ABC. It is not necessary to say that the problems are important, because I solved only those problems which are expected in the examination. All these are important examples. What is the problem? All of you taken problem is like this. Three forces are acting along the sides of a triangle. Three forces are like this. What is duster? Three forces are acting along the sides of a triangle. I take ABC in the triangle, it is like this. ABC. Forces are LBC and MCA and NAB are the forces, correct? Are acting like this. Now, two parts are there. What is the first part? If L is equal to M is equal to N, the system reduces to a couple. To prove this, we use that the moment of a couple about any point in their plane is always same. When the forces reduce to a couple means if you take the moment of the forces forming the couple about any point in their plane, it must be same. Then the forces reduce to a couple. Second part, if resultant passes through the centroid, or if L plus M plus N is 0, resultant passes through centroid. Two parts are there. See, the forces are like this. Take the moment of the forces about A. Anybody, what is the moment of the forces about A? What is the moment of the forces about A? Three forces are acting along the sides of a triangle. If you take the moment about A, since the AB and AC pass through A, moment of these two forces is 0. And only moment of BC left about A. I draw the perpendicular like this, BM. About A is NAB into 0 plus MCA into 0 plus LBC into AM. LBC into AM. Because these two forces pass through A, moment of these two about A is 0. Only moment of LBC is there. What is moment of the force? Force into perpendicular distance. LBC into AM. How do you find AM? To find AM, take AM upon, or I consider like this, altitude through A it is. Altitude through A is twice the area of the triangle upon BC. This is because area of the triangle is half into BC into AM. Correct? What is AM therefore? AM is twice the area of the triangle upon BC. Therefore, LBC into twice the area of the triangle upon BC. It is therefore twice the area of the triangle into L. Now, taking moment about B. Taking moment about B, it is equal to, if you take point B, then what happens? Moment of AB and BC about B is 0. Moment means we will take moment of all these three forces about B now. But since AB and BC pass through B, moment of the forces along these two sides becomes 0. Only moment of the force along AC is left. It is again positive. What is this? MCA into twice the area of the triangle upon AC. As here I have not taken perpendicular. Using the generalization I have written directly 2 into area of the triangle into M. Similarly, moment about C is twice the area of the triangle into N. Can I write like this? If you take moment about C, what do you get? It is AB is left only. It becomes twice the area of the triangle upon N. If the forces or the forces reduced to a couple, if the moment of the forces about ABC is same. About ABC is same. Reader, moment about any point must be same. Moment about ABC is same. Therefore, 2 into area of the triangle into L is 2 into area of the triangle into M is 2 into area of the triangle into N. Therefore, L is equal to M is equal to N. First part. System of these forces reduced to a couple if L is equal to M is equal to N. What is the second part? I think all of you followed first one. Second part is forces reduced to a resultant passes through centroid if L plus M plus N is 0. Now, what is the centroid? You require some elementary geometry here. Centroid means point of concurrence of medians. Centroid is point of concurrence of medians. Concurrence of medians. With respect to triangle, 4 points are important. Special points there: centroid, orthocenter, incenter, circumcenter. Incenter, circumcenter, orthocenter, centroid. In next problems we will come across this also. What is centroid? Point of concurrence of medians. What is median? Line joining vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. I take capital L. Suppose L is midpoint of BC. Line joining vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called median. And if you take three medians, medians of a triangle are concurrent. In high school geometry you have studied. What do you mean by medians are concurrent? There are three medians here. They pass through the same point, and that point of concurrence is called, it is called centroid. Centroid of the triangle. One more thing is, this centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. This centroid divides the median AL in the ratio 2:1 internally. 2:1. To solve this problem, you require what is centroid, and also it divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Now come to the problem. What you have to do here? Suppose the resultant pass through the centroid. Then what happens? We take the moment about centroid. If the resultant pass through centroid, and if you take the moment about centroid, then what happens? Moment of the resultant becomes 0. Suppose the resultant pass through centroid, then moment of that resultant is 0. Anybody, why moment of the resultant becomes 0? You know that in two cases moment of a force becomes 0. Suppose this is F. If you take the moment about this point, if F itself is 0, moment becomes 0. Or if F passes through this point, moment becomes 0. So following know this one. If the force, line of action of the force passes through the point where we take the moment, then moment becomes 0. Because how to define the moment? Moment is force into perpendicular distance. If the force itself passes through that point, perpendicular distance becomes 0. So, suppose the resultant passes through G, then moment of the force resultant becomes 0. But what is moment of the resultant? Algebraic sum of the moments of component forces. Therefore, if the resultant passes through G, algebraic sum of the moments of all these forces about G becomes 0. If you use this, you get L plus M plus N is 0. Let capital G be the centroid of the triangle ABC. ABC. If the resultant passes through the centroid, if the result passes through the centroid, then the moment of the resultant hence the algebraic sum of the moment of the forces about G is 0. Now we have to find out. See, first I find out the moment of force acting along BC about G. Then we can easily find out moment of this force acting along CA and AB about G also. To find the moment of this force acting along BC about G, what you require? Perpendicular distance. That is where I have drawn GN perpendicular to BC. You have to draw that GN perpendicular to BC. Then first we find out this GN. You have any idea how to find out GN? To find GN, we consider two triangles GLN and ALM. They are similar triangles. What is the property of similar triangles? Corresponding sides are proportional. Draw GN perpendicular to BC. Triangle ALM is similar to triangle GLN. ALM, GLN. Therefore, GN upon AN is it is GL upon AJ is equal to 1 by 2. GL upon is it AL? GL upon AL is 1 by 3. Since these two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. That is, GN upon AN is GL upon AL. What is GL? If you take GL as 1, AL is 3, 2 plus 1. Because centroid divides that median in the ratio 2:1. Follow to this one. Therefore, GN is AN upon 3. AN upon 3. What is AN? Just I have used in the previous problem. What is AN? Altitude. Altitude through A is twice the area of the triangle divided by BC. Because here now AN area of the triangle is half into AN into BC, half into base into height. AN is altitude through A. Therefore, it is AN is twice the area of the triangle upon BC. So GN is 2 by 3 area of the triangle upon BC. This is GN. Therefore, moment of the forces about G is the important thing is how to find out the perpendicular distance of G from this BC. What is the distance? 2 by 3 area of the triangle upon BC. Now we can generalize. What is the perpendicular distance of AC from G? These are constant. 2 into area of the triangle upon 3 divided by AC it becomes. Similarly, what is distance of AB from G? 2 by 3 area of the triangle upon AB. Because here we obtain 2 by 3 area of the triangle upon BC. Similarly, what is distance of AC from G? Twice the area of the triangle upon 3 divided by AC. Because to find the moment we require perpendicular distance of that force from the point. G is. Now one more question is whether the moment of this force about G is positive or negative. That is important. Is it positive? Yes, positive, because moment means it is in this direction, anti-clockwise. Moment of other two forces also positive about G. So moment of the forces about G is LBC into 2 by 3 area of the triangle upon BC plus MCA into 2 by 3 area of the triangle upon CA plus NAB 2 2/3 area of the triangle upon AB. Therefore it is 2/3 area of the triangle into L plus M plus N. 2/3 area of the triangle common. L plus M plus N. L plus M plus N. It is equal to 0 implies when 2/3 area of the triangle into L plus M plus N is 0, this is not 0. This implies L plus M plus N is 0. Two parts were there. First part is if the forces reduce to a couple, then L is equal to M is equal to N. Second part is if the forces or the resultant passes through G, L plus M plus N is 0. Next example. All of you completed. The moments of a system of coplanar forces, take this. Next problem. The moments of a system of coplanar forces about the points 2, 0, 0, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 on their plane or in their plane are 3, 4 and 10. 3, 4 and 10 units. Find the magnitude of 3, 4 and 10 units. Question is find the magnitude of the resultant force. And prove that it acts through the line 6x plus 7y is equal to 6. It acts through the line 6x plus 7y is equal to 6. 6x plus 7y is equal to 6. I solved one similar problem. You remember that one? In the previous period only, I solved one problem of this type. What was that problem? Similar type. How to proceed here? Suppose the forces reduce to a single force which is parallel to the given force, together with a couple of moment t. Then take the moment about 2, 0, 0, 2. 2, 2, you will get three equations in x, y and g. Solve that, you will get capital X, Y and g. Then what is the equation? What is the equation of line of action of the resultant? xy minus yx is equal to g. This is the equation. Can you try this as exercise? What is the find the magnitude of the resultant? You take the answer. Magnitude is square root of 85 by 2. That is the magnitude. Line of action is given. It is 6x plus 7y is equal to 6. Next, four problems are of same type. You take this. Again, important problems. Three forces. You can solve this problem. No? It is. You refer that problem. In the last period, I have solved one problem of this type. Magnitude is root x square plus y square. X, y, and capital G or find out. Three forces capital P, Q, R. Next problem. Three forces capital P, Q, R act along the sides. Act along the sides. BCCA, AB. BCCA, AB of a triangle. Of a triangle. ABC. Of a triangle ABC. Taken in order. Taken in order. If the resultant passes through first one in center of triangle ABC, prove that capital P plus Q plus R is 0. Second, centroid of the triangle, prove that P by sin A is P by sin A plus Q by sin C plus R by sin C is 0. Third one, orthocenter of the triangle, prove that P sec A, Q sec B, R sec C is equal to 0. And circumcenter if P cos A plus Q cos B R cos C is equal to 0. This one already I explained, centroid. In the previous problem, we came across this concept. If the resultant passes through centroid, then you have to take the moment of the forces about centroid, and algebraic sum of the moments must be 0. You have to use that one in all the four cases. Only thing is, you have to find out the distance of the force from the points in center, centroid, orthocenter and circumcenter. That is the important thing here. Take first one. Resultant passes through in center. Take the triangle ABC. Forces are acting in the order PQR. Taken in order PQR. What do you mean by in center? I think you forgot that elementary geometry. In center, orthocenter, circumcenter. Anybody remember what is in center? Centroid I explained. What is the centroid? Point of concurrence of medians. And property, it divides the centroid in the ratio 2:1. Now in center means it is the point of concurrence of the angular bisectors of the sides. That is called in center. In center is the point of concurrence of angular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. They are concurrent. What do you mean by angular bisectors? bisect this angle. Bisector means which divides the angle into two equal parts. This is the bisector. This is the bisector. Bisect in two parts and one more. This is the incenter. What is the property? If you draw a circle with this as center and the distance from one of the sides from this as radius, then it is like this. It touches or it lies inside this point. This is inside. Correct? Now, if you find out one of these distance of one of the side from incenter, it is sufficient. Other two sides will be same. Other two sides will be same. Correct? Now let us take this as small r. Small r. Then what is the distance of this incenter from AC? It is also smaller. From AB is also smaller. We need not even find out. We take that as r. Take this incenter is point of concurrence of the angular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. Let small r be the inner radius of the triangle ABC. Then all the sides AB, BC, CA are at a distance small r from the incenter. What is the common notation? Incenter is usually denoted by small I or capital I. I don't remember exactly. I, incenter. What is the circumcenter? Capital C. Orthocenter O. Centroid G. If the resultant passes through, see, these explanations are not necessary in the solution. I explain only to convince what is incenter, what is in radius and so on. In the examination, you can directly take like this. R be the in radius of the triangle ABC. Then all the sides are at a distance r from the in radius. If the resultant passes through the incenter, then the moment of the forces can add a algebraic sum of the moments of the forces about the incenter is 0. Algebraic sum of the forces, moment of the forces about incenter is 0. Therefore, P into small r plus capital Q into small r plus capital A into small r is 0. Because what is moment of this force P about I incenter? It is positive. Is it positive? Because like this, anti-clockwise. Capital P into small r. Moment of Q is capital Q, small r. Capital R, small r. All are positive. So, capital P plus Q plus R is 0. Because small r is not 0. So, if the resultant passes through centroid, then P plus Q plus R is 0. I think you followed this one. What is the important thing here? Important thing is the distance of all the three sides from the in center is same. We have not calculated. We have taken that as R. Correct? So resultant passes through I in center. Then moment of the resultant is 0. What is moment of the resultant? Algebraic sum of the moments of component forces. Algebraic sum is 0. It is positive. Follow this. Why it is positive? See the direction. Positive. But in direction of this moment of Q about R, it is also positive. All the forces, moment about I is positive. Therefore, P plus Q plus R is 0. Second. What is the second one? Suppose the resultant passes through centroid. Or we take the resultant passes through centroid. What do you have to do? Perpendicular distance of the centroid from the side. If you find out from one side, other two sides you can easily write by generalizing. Can you take that as exercise? Because in the previous problem, I have obtained how to find out the distance of the centroid from the side. What is that? 2 by 3 area of the triangle upon BC. Correct? So that is, I will leave that as exercise. Third one. What is the third one? For the next sum in the final step, we have to use some other result. So I solve this one also. Second problem. ABC be the triangle. What are the forces? P, Q, R. And suppose G be the centroid. AD is the median and G be the centroid. And this centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Second, let G be the centroid of the triangle